What is up, everyone? This is a short quick video to show you how we set up our tub. It's a bit different to like most tubs, and I'll explain why. Our car is actually set up for multiple different reasons, multiple purposes. So not only do we live on the road with this caravan, if you haven't checked out our other video on that, there is multiple shorts on it. No proper video yet, but there will be soon. So major upgrade from our other caravan, so check that out. But for now, the tub. So not only do we live on the road with the caravan, but we also use it for work. So that's why there's multiple tools, different tools in there that aren't in there as well. So they're general purpose tools, multiple different reasons to use them. And for everyday play with the kids as well, bits and pieces, stuff like that. So we always carry this king chrome set in here. So if you notice there's multiple tools, we are currently cleaning and they're being used. So that's why there is multiple tools out of it currently. But for now, it is mostly set up. I can't stand this case. The rest of the toolkit, absolute awesome. The case is annoying. These always fall out. That always falls out. From the start when we first brought it, they all fall out. And the first day we actually used it, these stopped working. Absolute annoying. And to get a new case, you have to take it back, the whole kit, and then they have to send you a new case and everything. It's a bloody mess around. But the case, terrible. Kit, awesome. I actually prefer these from the Makita, the older style Makita ones. But we carry a tech gun, rattle gun and drill with multiple different bits for all of them. So drill bits, all the different like bits and pieces like that. In there is a little chainsaw. There's Maze. Say hi, Maze. Why are you looking all depressed? So a little chainsaw, grinder, and the multi-tool with all the different bits. In here is all the different recovery kit, different snatch straps, rope, all that sort of stuff. Footballs, the kids' bag, axes, spare pegs and stuff. In there is all the different sprays like lanolin spray, spare brake fluid, all the different cleaners, all that sort of stuff. Med kit, always carry a med kit in your car. We've got two, a smaller one inside the car and this one. And we've got two in the caravan plus a spare one elsewhere. So always carry a med kit, essential. And under there is another little bit of recovery kit. In here is a spare change of clothes for us all, a spare change of shoes for me. There will be a spare change of shoes for everyone else as well, but for now it's just my shoes. Toilet paper, yeah, that's a full fire kit and everything. Binoculars, that is, what's that again? That's inflator, like a tire inflator, everything like that. Texters. In there is, like that thing there, is a Makita thing for a socket set for the rattle gun specifically. All different tools and bits and pieces, like all that sort of stuff, and a bed inflator, and all that is more like hygiene stuff and med kit stuff. Kids got these as well because we shoot, so we always carry these as well just in case. And yeah, so there's ear protection, eye protection, all that sort of stuff in here. Gloves, we needed couple of new sets of gloves, but that's what's in there. So all of that is carried every day as well. If you haven't seen the video on this, it'll explain what's in there. I'm not going to say it right now, but go check out the video on that. That was a cool little setup. But yeah, that's the setup on our car. If you want me to go into in-depth what we've got for like the fire kit, the med kit, all that stuff, if you want us to go in-depth for all of that, let us know in the comments and I can do that in a short. I'll try my best to tag whoever has asked it. But for now, that's what we carry. Everything is all, like these 3 boxes are strapped onto here. Maze usually sits up in there, but or in here. And the reason it's all on one side is because the kids' bikes, wherever they are, the motorbikes, while we're actually traveling, sit in here. So they sit on this side. That's why everything's on this side. And Maze usually sits at the front, but sometimes she climbs over the bikes and sits up in there where you first saw her. But so that's what it looks like when it's all strapped up. I also forgot to mention, sometimes we'll carry a esky as well. That's rubbish. Sometimes we'll carry the esky as well. That'll also sit usually up there when Maze is sitting here, if Maze is in the car as well. I hope this is helpful or insightful or exciting for what we do, or why we do it, and hopefully this has like inspired you for your setup. But for now, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Cheers.